Well, you might already know exactly what this is. That's one of those 3D printers over at the Lucas County Public Library. Quite cool. And tonight, one UT student is using it to create the Toledo skyline. Our Amy Steigerwall introducing us tonight to Brian, an Air Force veteran turned art teacher.
The 3D printer inside the new downtown Toledo library is quite busy nowadays, creating replicas of familiar downtown buildings and other Northwest Ohio landmarks. University of Toledo art education student Brian Woolard is also busy. He's creating, well, most of Toledo using the library's 3D printer.
It's going to have the skyline and so much more. It's going to have the buildings. It's going to have like the black swamp, the wars, everything. Like you can see glasswork, you can see woodwork.
Brian is an Air Force veteran but had to be medically discharged because of lifting limitations. He's now studying to be an art teacher. Brian wants to inspire local children to create masterpieces. Meantime, his masterpiece is about 25% done.
I'm trying to capture art besides painting and drawing. You never really know driving around like what the buildings are about, when they came about. So it was kind of to teach me more about who I am and where I came from.
He does have some help from Rebecca Ransberger, who's a computer manager at the library. Rebecca says Brian's project is so complex, oftentimes he has to leave printers running overnight. But she loves assisting him with this locally themed project.
But it was so cool to see someone bring something in that was so Toledo-based and, completely created.
Now, library officials tell me that 3D printers have really been becoming more popular over the past couple of months, especially for people like Brian using them for special projects. Once Brian is done with his project in May, he plans to have a public showing so everyone can come see the 419 right in his living room. Reporting in downtown Toledo, Amy Steigerwall, WTOL.